How to create objects in Second Life. Bring up the Build Objects window by selecting the Build button on the menu bar at the bottom, or right-click in the sandbox area and select Create from the menu. Select the Create button with the magic wand, select the desired shape, click on the location in the Second Life world with the wand and the shape will appear. After the Edit button is selected, you can change the texture of the object by selecting the desired texture from the Library menu. For example, I have chosen Rock Geographic for this object. Select another shape in the menu to create a second object in the sandbox. Now I will align the two objects parallel to one another by dragging on the colored arrows. I will select a different texture for this object from the Library menu that is a photo called Sunset to create a variable effect. Select objects that I want to group together by drawing a square around them with the mouse cursor, or by holding down the Shift key and selecting the objects with the mouse cursor. Can be linked together as a group by selecting the Link tool from the drop-down tool menu, or by pressing the combination of the Control and L keys on the keyboard. Can also be ungrouped by selecting the Unlink tool from the drop-down tool menu, or by pressing the combination of Control, Shift, and L keys on the keyboard. Edit the size of one of the objects after selecting the Edit button with the Stretch option and dragging on the corners with the colored handles. Align the two objects by dragging on the colored arrows. I will then regroup the two objects by holding down the Shift key and selecting the two objects to be grouped, and selecting the Link tool from the drop-down tool menu. Newly created object into the Object Inventory library and rename it for reference to use at a later time.